Multi-menu cooking functions, special settings for white/mixed rice, sushi rice, brown rice, GABA brown rice, long grain white rice, steel cut oatmeal and quick cooking. Triple heater, bottom, side and lid, generate heat all around for even heating. Up to 3 cups, 0.54 liter. Capacity is measured in the approx 6 ounces/180 milliliters rice measuring cup, using raw short grain white rice. Other grains may vary. Dimensions: WXDXH, 9/1/8 x 11/7/8 x 7/2 inches. Detachable and washable inner lid. Easy to store retractable cord.Interchangeable melody and beep signal. Removable steam vent cap allows for high temperature cooking without messy overflows. Electrical rating: 120 volts or 450 watts. Microcomputer automatically adjusts cooking temperature and time. There is nothing like hot fluffy rice that has just been cooked, when it's not too mushy or too firm and the natural sweetness of the rice comes through with each bite. Zojirushi rice cookers make it easy to enjoy eating perfectly steamed rice all the time, without the guesswork. When it is simple as pushing a button, the hardest part is going to be the wait, while our cookers do all the work. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for the single household. I had to replace a 9-year-old Zojirushi because it just stopped working. This one's appearance is identical to the one I had 9 years ago, but it adds additional functions for brown rice, steel cut oats and even long grain white. I am typically the guy who wants to have the latest and greatest gadget, but I just couldn't justify the bigger 5-cup, fancier top-tier Zojirushi rice cookers. This unit is the perfect size for singles or even couples. And I bet the quality of rice it produces just as good as the best Zojirushi. I bought this for name brand recognition and longevity. You can't cook rice on the stovetop as well as you can in a rice cooker,